In the next 5 minutes, you will learn how the digital CRM solution from AutoSherpa is creating value for insurance brokers. To start with, here's a business challenge that most of the insurance brokers face with respect to lead management. From your insurance ERP or portal, your lead management team downloads the list of customers that has new inquiries, policies that are due for renewal, customer list that falls in the category of rollover or win back, or the team may download any other customer list, extract it from your core ERP for customer engagement. Now, for establishing communications with such customers, data is shared with the telecalling staff or the POS agents or the DSAs, DSTs, or any other channel. All these channels will manage the customer list on Microsoft Excel spreadsheets. Executives will call, SMS, email through manual ways and will update the status of leads on Excel spreadsheets or back to your ERP/portal. Now, because the leads are managed on unstructured platform, it is very difficult to measure, monitor, and improve the performance of the customer engagement team. Such process leading to the business impacts on metrics such as efficiency, revenue, customer satisfaction, etc. Because the call, SMS, email options are manual for the customer engagement team, it impacts their productivity to the tune of 15 to 20%. Let's say if the customer asks the executive to call next Tuesday at 3 p.m., it will be very difficult for the executive to follow up on time, because at any time one executive is dealing with 100 plus customers and his Excel sheet cannot send him the reminder notifications for follow-ups. Such cases will lead to the loss of opportunity for the business. One more observation shared by insurance brokers is that the lead generation team has high shrinkage and absenteeism. This implies that when an executive is leaving the job, he or she may not hand over the Excel sheet with the lead list to his replacement or the new hire, which again leads to the loss of business for the broker. Just imagine that you want to create segmented offers and promotions to the target customer, and you want to target the customer base that is categorized as win back or break-in customers. Now, this segmentation and telecalling practice cannot be managed easily if you are managing this on MS Excel spreadsheets. Above all, absence of a CRM or lead management system leads to the delay in monitoring of performance and improvement of metrics, people productivity, efficiency, etc. Here's a simple proposition. You already have a robust ERP or the insurance portal on-premise. How about setting up an on-premise CRM that is installed on your server, which provides 100% control of the application to your team? Let's say this CRM is white labeled with your logo, API integration for superior branding, and the new workflows that you create are the intellectual property or IP of your company. Now, with this kind of integration, your lead generation team gets a system where they are no longer dialing the customers manually. Instead, they can connect the call with the customer by just click of a button. Your team gets a flexibility to send customized email templates and SMS reminders, notifications 90 days, 60, 45, 30 days before the policy expiry date. Your team is also empowered to send customized WhatsApp messages in Hindi, English, Tamil, Malayalam, Bengali, Gujarati, or any other language. They can upload and share policy quotations in PDF, text format, or SMS quotation details received from multiple insurance companies. While now they might be doing a lot of these functions manually. Your business leaders get real-time intelligence on lead generation. Customers who have made the payment on payment gateways such as Razorpay, PayU, etc. Those who have dropped while making the payment at the payment gateway. You want to know what is your future pipeline. All the intelligence is available to you in a single platform. So for your existing channel, with CRM integration, you get to drive better retentions and renewals. efficiency of the lead management team is bound to increase by at least 20%. And your customers are happier than ever because they are getting timely follow-up, reminders, notifications, real-time updates, segmented offers that suits their profile. For the new business channel, you may choose to drive your top line by sharing the CRM application that is customized for your business with your dealers, call centers of insurance companies, POS agents, DSAs, DSTs, and all the possible channels. These are just some of the ways how lead management CRM from AutoSherpa can create super value for your broking business. You'd like to book a demo or want to know more, please connect with us. We are looking forward to hearing from you. Thank you.